Hi, this is Ken Salvo from Ken's Horticultural Services and KelownaGardens.com and GrowerCoach.com. And today we're just looking at these beautiful Salvia May Night. Salvia May Night is one of my all-time favorite plants. And as you can see, this one has gone through its bloom. We're now about mid-July, so it's finished its first bloom, and it's actually sending out more blooms. But what we do to deadhead this one is we can just go inside and cut out the dead blossoms, and we just cut them out like so. I don't mind cutting the the three-pronger like that out just to get rid of them. And but what I do is I look down below and see, like, this one has like 4 prongs. I don't care if there's a little bit of blue on there, that's fine, because I just want to do it once and do a good job of it, and then it'll come back and bloom again. So we go inside and we clip out all the dead stuff. And so the rule is if in doubt, just cut out the actual bloom itself, and you don't have to go far beyond that. I'm going to have you zoom in here so you can have a look at the buds that we're going to look for. And in perfect cases, if you can find where the new buds are coming, you just conserve those as you're pruning. So you learn to look for the new buds pushing out of the stems. And so yeah, if you can learn what those look like, then just don't prune them out, because that's your next bloom coming on. Now, even if I just hacked this thing right to the ground, it would still come back and it would look great. They're pretty easy to deal with. This one, we had this beautiful sunflower that shot up literally right inside of it, but it was just too beautiful to cut down, so we just let it grow. But I'm going to just go inside here and do some major snipping and see what happens here. I'm going to try to conserve some of the blue flowers, but I'm also trying to round the bush out a little bit. Like here, for example, this part is leaning down, it's fallen out. I want to keep the plant sort of bushy, so I'm going to go inside and just cut that back a bit. So I'm trying to, let's say, improve the general shape of the plant at the same time as I am deadheading it. So I'm just going to go through this fairly carefully, and I'm going to cut out as many of these stems as I can. Pretty good chance I'm going to cut out a few blooms here and there, because that's just the way it goes when you're deadheading. Can't be too perfect. Take you forever if you did. Alright, maybe you can just come up this way. See if you can have a look at this plant. I'll pull this guy back. You get a rough idea, sort of what we're looking at. I'll trade you places here.